Full body HIIT workout routine, 5-round challenge. Welcome to a dynamic and effective full body high intensity interval training, HIIT workout designed to elevate your heart rate, build strength, and improve overall fitness. This workout combines cardio and strength exercises, ensuring a comprehensive training session that targets various muscle groups. The routine consists of 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of energetic jogging on the spot, followed by 10 reps each of dips, squats, push-ups, burpees, and crunches. This circuit is to be repeated 5 times, creating a challenging yet rewarding workout experience. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to intensify your routine or a beginner eager to kickstart your journey, this workout offers versatility with scalable exercises. Remember to maintain proper form, listen to your body, and modify the routine as needed. Let's embark on this fitness journey together, pushing our limits and achieving new heights of strength and endurance. Warm up. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Start with 30 seconds of jumping jacks to warm up your entire body. Jogging on the spot, 30 seconds. Lift your knees as high as comfortable while jogging in place. Focus on maintaining a steady pace. Main workout. Dips, 10 repetitions. Use parallel bars, a dip station, or the edge of a sturdy chair. Lower your body by bending your elbows, then push back up. Modify by bending your knees if needed. Squats, 10 repetitions. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips, keeping your back straight. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Push-ups, 10 repetitions. Start in a plank position with hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your chest to the ground by bending your elbows, then push back up to the starting position. Burpees, 10 repetitions. Begin in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, jump your feet back towards your hands, and explosively jump up. Crunches, 10 repetitions. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place hands behind your head and lift your upper body towards your knees, engaging your core. Rest, 30 seconds. Take a short break between each exercise. Repeat the circuit. Complete the entire circuit, jogging on the spot, dips, squats, push-ups, burpees, crunches, rest, for a total of 5 rounds. Cool down. Finish the workout with a few minutes of light stretching, focusing on the muscles you worked during the routine. Stretch your arms, legs, and core to aid in recovery. Remember to perform each exercise with proper form and modify as needed based on your fitness level. If you have any health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or fitness expert before starting a new workout routine.